Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Tuesday, February 23rd. I was just getting ready for morning assembly, and I couldn't even find George. And then he was hiding under my desk. You know what he was doing? My desk can go up and down like that, so it can be different heights. And he was trying to figure out how it went up and down. But I found him, and he's here to join us now. He was just down there being curious. Say hello to everyone, George. All right. Please stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Well, yesterday we were talking about all the things that you're curious about, right? And I hope you shared some really strange, fun ones with your class, because that is really fun. And it also develops that part of your brain that's trying to get stronger and be more curious. Well, after morning assembly yesterday, Curious George and I sat down and we read a few of the Curious George books. And you know what? We found out something really interesting. Look at this. Curious George goes camping. Okay? He does a bunch of silly things. But at the end, he kind of saves the day using the information he learned. Curious George in the dump truck. He does a whole bunch of really weird things. And then at the end of the day, he completely saves the day because he learned some new things. That was an interesting one. Curious George goes to the hospital, gets in all kinds of trouble, and then at the end of the day, saves the day because he learned some new things. Now, here's the deal. When you learn those new things, you can use that information. The cool thing about monkeys and about humans is they're a couple of the only animals that can watch somebody else and learn and then do it for themselves. So I want to show you a little bit about what happened in this Curious George book, Curious George at the railroad station. We don't have time to read it all, but guess what? He's going to get curious and he's going to get in trouble, and then he's going to learn something, and then he's going to save the day, right? So we have Curious George. He's checking everything out. On this page, he's trying to figure out what the numbers and letters mean on that big chart. All right. And then the train master comes down. And then he gets up there and he decides, I think I'm going to move some of these letters and numbers around. And guess what that did? That messed up all the trains. People didn't know when trains were coming. Oh, man, he made a big mess of everything. But during this time, he was also watching how the trains work. He's watching trains come and go. He's watching people get on and off trains. And then he notices a really scary thing happen. See this little boy who's so excited to be on a train that he even has a train with him? Oh my goodness. Back to my bookmark. Look at this. That little boy dropped his train. Okay? Oh, man, he dropped his train. Well, I'm going to tell you what happens. I'm going to give you a chance to guess about what happens. Curious George has learned enough by being curious that he knows how to save the day right now. Because that train, flip to the next page. Well, I can't show you the next picture yet, but I'll just tell you what happened. He lost his train and it fell on the train tracks. Oh my goodness, that's so scary. And the boy is running for his train. I want you to chat with your class and see if you can figure out, how did Curious George save the day? Teachers, you can just pause because I'm going to come back and show you what happened. So how do you think Curious George saved the day? Okay, I'm back, and hopefully I'm off pause, which I would have to be, or you couldn't hear me. That didn't make any sense. Curious George, he leaps out of the basket as fast as he can. He runs and grabs the train off the train track because he knows that the train would run over the toy train, the real train when it came, and it might even run over the boy. And then, of course, somebody comes running out of the train station, and Curious George, you're in so much trouble. And then the dad comes over and he says, wait, he's not in trouble. He just saved my son's life because he took what he learned by being curious, and then he used that information to save the day. have a great day, Achieve. I want you to think about this as you're going through your day today. How can you be curious? What can you wonder about? And then also start to think how you can use that information. And I've got another one for you in a couple days where we can start to use that information a little bit more. Have a great day, Achieve.